Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you doing well. So there's a new update available for multiple Samsung Galaxy phones that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So there was another update also available few days back. For that, you can go into the settings and scroll all the way down and tap on software update. So this was the security patch update of July 1st, 2025, and now we have the Google Play System update. For that, you have to go into the About phone. From here, tap on Software Information, then tap on Google Play System Update. So as you can see, it is on the June 1st, 2025, and now we have the new update available of the July 1st, 2025 with the update size of 75 MBs in size. It is the latest security update from Google. Update now to keep your device safe and improve the device stability. First of all, you will have to download this update, then you will have to install this update. Once the update is downloaded, you will get to see an option of restart now. As you guys can see, once the update is downloaded, I'm getting this restart now option. So tap on restart now when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. And this installation process can take time. And once the update is installed, your device will automatically restart. As you guys can see, now the device is restarted, and if you will check for the new update, it will say that your device is up to date with the latest July 1st, 2025. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a short video to tell you about this new update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.